Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today we are touring this well-built and spacious 4-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Alabang, Muntinlupa City. If you're looking for a quality-built home in a peaceful community, this property might be for you. Now let's talk about the size. This house has a lot area of 420 square meters with a floor area of approximately 340 square meters. If we're talking about the developed area, meaning all of the parking spaces and garden area, including the floor area of the property, this would be more than 450 square meters. Now, let's begin the tour. Through the pedestrian gate, to your right, you have a nice garden area right here, giving you a relaxing view as you go in and out of the house. And on this side, you have a carport area for 2 vehicles. You also have access here towards the staff room and the service area of the property. And this is where you have a mezzanine space as an additional staff room. Okay, let's head on over towards your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. My first impression for this property is that it is solidly built. Just from the feel of the space, the ceiling design, and you can also appreciate the ceiling height from this angle. In addition, you immediately have a high ceiling space right here, giving natural light towards the main hallway and ventilation, giving access to the second floor. And right here, you have your grand high ceiling space for your living area. There's so much natural light, and you have an open plan for your living and dining area. You can have a large living room set on this side, and then here you have your formal dining space with cove lighting, and you can have a large table here for up to 10 people over this light fixture. And from here, you have one of the nicest features of this property, your patio and garden area. You have these maki plants giving you additional privacy. And from this angle, you can appreciate the size of this area. You can potentially put a nice plunge pool here if you'd like. But as it is right now, this is such a relaxing space. You also have a nice view of the facade of the back of the house from here. And the patio is quite spacious. You can easily have a couple of large tables here to entertain guests, especially if you have a party. But just as a private area, this is fantastic as well. And now let's head on in. You have PVC windows as well. And from your dining space, you have the sliding door leading towards an informal dining area. And here you have a breakfast nook space on top of your dining area, which leads towards your modern kitchen. You have a peninsula countertop, plenty of room to move around, this is where you can have your refrigerator, lots of storage as well, and what I love is it's so well lit. And on this side, you have a pantry room. You can potentially put some shelves here, and this is also where you can access the circuit breakers. And right here, you have stainless steel storage, and this is also where you can have an additional stove as well. So your auxiliary kitchen space leads out towards your laundry area. And right here, you have a spacious laundry area. And what's nice is you have access here towards your first staff room. And right over the parking space, you have a mezzanine space which can serve as a driver's room. Okay, let's head on in. And right here, we're back in your main living space. It's time to explore the rooms that are right beside the main entrance. Right here, you have your den room. This serves as the first bedroom in the house. So this can be a multi-purpose room. It already has a ceiling fan, and you have this beautiful natural wood for the flooring. This can be a great entertainment space or home office as well. And I love the large window here, giving you a view of your driveway and front garden. On this side, you have your powder room with a shower already. And what's nice about this space is, if you want to use the first room as a private room, you can potentially close this off so that you have privacy as you go in and out of the room towards the bathroom. Okay. Now, this recess space can be maximized as well for a nice display area. And right here, underneath the stairs, you have a maximized space for storage. Now let's head on up. The stairs are easy to climb, once again with natural wood, very sturdy construction. And from this angle, you can appreciate that view of your open living and dining area. And here we are at your second level, and you have on top of your living space downstairs, a second living area, care of this family hallway den space. And I also want to point out that beautiful Narra plank flooring, and this is large enough to have a nice living room set and a large television as well for a lounge space while you entertain guests downstairs. And then right here, you have your primary bedroom. Now, the bed frame is placed here so that you can appreciate the size of the room. There's so much space on top of the area for the bed. You can have even a sofa here on the other side and plenty of additional space for storage and furniture. This is a corner room, so you have this nice window giving you a lot of natural light. And I also want to point out the considerable ceiling height for the second level. And right here, you have your walk-in closet space. With open shelves for fast access. And then a nice dresser space here. This sliding door leads towards your bathroom area. What's nice here is you also have this large window giving so much light to the space, but at the same time, you have plenty of privacy as well. And you also have these rolling blinds as well. In terms of the angle, you can't be seen by any neighbors nearby because there's no window at the same level here. Okay? Now, my impression of this house for the second level is it's perfect for a family who wants a very relaxing and well-built space. There's nothing forced about the sizes of the rooms, the size of the hallway. It feels so open, and you have all that ventilation coming from the garden area going up here to the second floor. And I love how sturdy it is as well. Right here you have your third room. Now you have the bed here as well. You can appreciate the size of the room from this angle. You already have built-in cabinetry and an ensuite bathroom. Now this room is already facing the front of the house. And here on the other side, I want to point out the nice touch of having that high ceiling space over the main door, because this allows for that light to go to the main hallway, but at the same time you have that ventilation. And here you have your fourth room. It's a corner room facing the front of the house. You have nice lighting here, and you can easily fit a semi-double bed here, potentially even a queen-sized bed. You have storage already here, and of course your ensuite bathroom. So you can consider this a 4-bedroom property with 2 staff rooms and parking for 2 vehicles, as well as a spacious garden area. What I love about this property is it's located in such a peaceful area here in the village. This is a well-planned community with fast access towards the major roads here and the commercial spaces in the Alabang area. It's also very peaceful with a lot of trees around the property. And if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.